Teresa, the marketing mom. Hope you're doing well today. Just dropped my kids off and on my way to downtown Atlanta for a workshop. I'm really excited. My husband's actually the one who told me about it. Technical things, everything from the iPhone to computers. And I thought I would use this time to encourage you. There's one thing you can always do as you're trying to work from home, as you're working your ministry marketing plan, and that's investing. Invest in yourself. One of my coaches always told me that the marketplace pays for value. Your value is your skill. So as you're going about in your business and in your ministry plans, never underestimate the power of being able to invest in yourself, investing in skills and learning new skills. Normally when I'm driving in the car, I've got my handy little iPhone plugged in, and I'm listening to, I got John Reese Traffic Secrets 2 plugged in there. Everything from that to Joyce Meyer to some great teaching, and the car is an example of where even if you've got to go do errands or you got to commuting somewhere, you can use it as a place to gain your skill. The investment you make in yourself is the one thing you can control. It's the one thing that doesn't cost you anything. All it costs you is your time. So as we continue on, I want to just give you basic principles that you can do now, and over time, as you continue to invest in yourself, you continue to work on that mental mapping of seeing where you want to be and going in that direction, that you continue to pour information into yourself. You know, it might be as simple as going to a seminar. Any investment that you make in yourself, any investment that increases your skill is worth it. And guess what? Once you get that skill, no one can take it away from you. So anyway, I'm Teresa. Let's go ahead and check this out as we head on downtown Atlanta. Here we come. Believe it or not, when it comes to shopping, my husband likes to shop more than I do. But
so then I would send it to an iPhone user as an email. If I'm there, you go.
Is this Atlanta Traffic Cam?
Atlanta Traffic Cams, yeah. Since I got the app, they made an update to it, so
they have a lot of free stuff.
Yeah, like I said, the ratio, it's about 60%.
so that workshop I just went to, it was free. Learned about an iPhone, which really is an incredible marketing tool, and might consider going to a Mac workshop next. I guess what I'm trying to say is whatever you can do, when you have the time to improve skills, to learn, it's just going to make you that much better in your marketing, whether that's for your business or your ministry or whatever you got going on. Hey, I'm Teresa, the marketing mom. I'll be in touch. I hope you'll do the same.